Hi, and welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the planning and scheduling role and exactly what the planner scheduler process is all for. We're going to do it at a very high level. So, industry average for wrench time in your plants is typically somewhere between, so wrench time equals 25 to 35%. Those numbers vary depending on the text that you read. But I have found those to be relatively true in the areas where we've done some time studies. So, what is the goal of planning and scheduling? Well, the goal of planning and scheduling is to take this number to about this number, 55%. So you're looking to get this number to 55% wrench time. How do we do that? Well, we do that in two major ways from a planning and scheduling perspective. And this is certainly not all-encompassing of the planner role. However, these are the two major impacts to this number. So the two major impacts to wrench time are trips to the storeroom. So the planner's goal is to minimize trips to the storeroom. Stop focusing on the job plan. Your role is not just to write a job plan. We've got to have all the parts ready to go. If the parts are not ready to go, I waste time running back and forth to the storeroom. I'm a technician. I've been trained. It could say replace bearing, and in theory, I should know how to do that. Having a very detailed and great job plan is good for some work, but honestly, it's not making me more efficient in a bulk. I know, I'm going to get a lot of replies back to that. However, the biggest impact is trips to the storeroom. The second biggest impact is the schedule by logistics. What does that mean? That means pretend you're UPS. UPS is not delivering your packages based on the time when somebody sent it. They're delivering it based on the area you live. And so we want to schedule work the same way. If we've got mechanical work on line 1, try to get all that work done at the same time. Try to get 2 work orders done in the same area, using the same skill set, the same technician, instead of having them bounce all over the plant. Let them pick up 2 boxes instead of 1, go out to the plant, get both jobs done. Try to minimize trips back and forth to the shop to find out what the next job is. What you want to do is schedule by logistics. If you minimize trips to the storeroom and schedule by logistics, you will definitely impact this number. Have a great day.